Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on discount. In the last video we briefly mentioned the word discount. In simple terms, a discount is an amount we subtract from the advertised selling price. This is an incentive for the customer to buy the goods at a cheaper price. Let's look at some examples. Number 1. A summer dress would normally sell for $80. A discount of 30% is offered because it is the end of the summer season. How much is the discount? What is the discounted price? So the discount, which is the amount that they're going to take off the initial price of the dress, is 30% of $80. And we saw previously how to work this out. 30 over 100 times 80 over 1. So here's the working. If you divide 20 into 100 and 20 into 80, 20 into 100 goes 5, 20 into 80 goes 4 times. So 4 times 30 is 120, and 5 ones are 5. So we have 120 over 5. 5 into 5 goes once. 5 into 120 goes 24 times. So the discount is $24, and the discounted price would be $80 minus $24, and that's $56. So that's the cheaper price. Number 2. The marked price of a refrigerator is $1,600. The store is expecting new stock to arrive. So there is a 15% initial discount. After the initial discount is applied, the store will offer a further 5% discount for cash payments. So we have these questions to answer. What is the initial discount? What is the price after the initial discount is applied? How much is the second discount? And what is the final price after the second discount is applied? So the initial discount will be 15 over 100 times 1,600 over 1. We do the working. 100 into 100 goes once. 100 into 1,600 goes 16 times. So we have 15 times 16. So 15 times 16 is 240. So that is the initial discount. The price after the initial discount is $1,600 minus 240. That gives us $1,360. Now, the second discount is applied because the customer's paying cash, and that's 5%. So 5 over 100 times 1,360 over 1. We have to find the discount of this price here. So 10 into 100 goes 10 times. 10 into 1,360 goes 136 times. So 5 times 136 is 680. 10 ones are 10. So we have 680 over 10, and that's $68. So the second discount is $68. So the final price after the second discount is applied is $1,360 minus $68, and that's $1,292. So this video has introduced the idea of discount, and we've seen how to calculate the initial discount and how to calculate the price after the discount is applied.